Deadline for this scholarship is 1st May 2024 and you can apply for bachelor's, master's and PhD on this scholarship. अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू अदर वीडियो। आज की वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस करना है कि कौन कौन सी ऐसी स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं जिनकी डेडलाइंस अभी भी बाकी हैं, क्योंकि CSC और आंसो की डेडलाइन गुजर गई हैं। CSC की डेडलाइन 31 मार्च तक होती है, लेकिन कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ की वेरी करती है, डिफरेंट भी होती है, और आंसो की डेडलाइन 15 फेब होती है। और काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स को अनफॉर्चुनेटली रिजेक्शंस की ईमेल भी आ गई हैं, तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स परेशान हैं कि नेक्स्ट क्या करना है। पिछली वीडियो में भी मैंने आपको कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दिखाई हैं जो कि अभी तक मौजूद हैं। आज की वीडियो में भी हमने एक ऐसी स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में डिस्कशन करनी है कि जो अभी तक मौजूद है। उस स्कॉलरशिप्स के बेनिफिट्स CSC के इक्विवेलेंट ही हैं, और CSC जितना स्टाइपेंड देती है, लिंक्स क्या हैं, इस स्कॉलरशिप पर कैसे अप्लाई किया जा सकता है, इस स्कॉलरशिप के अंडर कौन कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ आती हैं, वो सारा कुछ आपको मैं आज इस वीडियो में दिखाने जा रहा हूँ। तो वीडियो को अपने एंड तक लाजमी देखना। अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे पेज को फॉलो नहीं किया हुआ और हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हुआ, तो अभी से हमारे पेज और यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें, क्योंकि इस तरह के लेटेस्ट अपडेट चाइना के मुतालिक मैं आप लोगों को देता रहता हूँ। तो चलें करते हैं आज की वीडियो शुरू। एक स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम है जिसे कहते हैं सिल्क रोड स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम। सिल्क रोड में जो कंट्रीज़ आते हैं वो इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, और पाकिस्तान, इंडिया, बांग्लादेश ये इन कंट्रीज़ में शामिल हैं। तो सिल्क रोड स्कॉलरशिप क्या होती है, कौन कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ ऑफ़र करती हैं, इसमें से कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ की डिटेल्स मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगा। I will pin the link in description to apply for this scholarship. This is Silk Road program, and also this called Belt and Road program. So deadline for this scholarship is 1st May 2024. Bachelor's, Master's and PhD programs are offered by this program. And details for qualification of applicants I will pin the link in description. And scholarship coverage is it's 2500 RMB per month for bachelor's, 3000 RMB for masters and 3500 RMB for PhD students. It is same like that of CSC. For bachelor's program you must have HSK Chinese language course. HSK 4 is must for bachelor's, and there is one program which is offered in Chinese for masters as well, which is marine technology, and other programs are also offered in Chinese and English. There is no need for Chinese language, you can apply with English proficiency, and these are the programs offered for masters. And for PhD also there are programs which are offered in English and Chinese as well. If you don't have Chinese language course, then you can apply with your English proficiency certificate, or you can apply with IELTS. Application materials are same as like CSC, but you need an acceptance letter for it, which is not mandatory, but if you have an acceptance letter, then the chances for your selections are quite high. I will pin the link in description. You can see the details, how to apply and require documents in detail. According to admission process, the deadline for this scholarship is May 1st, 2024. After this, they will review for your documents in May 2 to June 23, and after this they will announce your results on their website. You can see, and by the end of July you will get JW form for visa to enter in China. And the other university is Beijing Forestry University, which also offer this scholarship program. So you can visit the university website to apply for this, and I will pin the link of this scholarship in description. Program offers are masters in forestry, and eligibility criteria is same like that as it was in Chinese government scholarship. Also masters in landscape, masters in forestry economics and management, masters and PhD in soil and water conservation departments, also PhD in ecological environmental engineering and multidisciplinary sciences. There are many other subjects you can apply like biology, chemistry, relevant multidisciplinary sciences are also acceptable in China. And the deadline for this scholarship is May 2024, and the procedure is same like that of CSC. You can go to the CSC portal and apply, and when you submit your application, after that download the application form and upload to university portal, and when you go through university portal you have to select the Silk Road program for this scholarship, and your application is completed. So in shortly I tried my best to give you much more about basic information of these scholarships. There is also another university which offer these same scholarships, and these are just a few numbers, you can search. And the third university is Nanjing University of Science and Technology, which offers the same scholarship. Silk Road program for Chinese government scholarship. So this is affiliated program with Chinese government scholarship, you can say like that. So the introduction and basic information, I will pin the link in description. So enrollment status shows that the new students can apply, and masters and PhD students can apply for this scholarship, and this is fully funded scholarship. And study area, you can visit this PDF file and the programs are offered. You can visit and apply according to your major. So the opening date for this scholarship is 12 April 2024 to 20 May 2024. Agency number is also given on the university website. Application procedure, as I told you before, that it is like same like CSC portal. So first you have to go to CSC portal and create an account and then apply further. And the highly ranked universities will be get priority to get selected for this scholarship program. If your previous university rank in the top 500, so your chances of selections are too much. And the programs offered are again pinned in this list, and you can see the application documents in PDF, and they are also explained here, like passport, academic transcript, highest degree, your language proficiency, your 2 recommendation letters, other documents, CV, and acceptance letter. If you get an acceptance letter, then it's plus point, but if you don't have, then you can apply without acceptance letter also. And this university have application fee of 500 RMB as well, so you can apply with application fee. So the link for this application is given in this description. So I will pin the link for this as well, so you can visit and start your application. So I will try my best to share information with you. I hope this page will helpful for your academic career. Stay connected. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, and visit my Facebook page to get more and stay connected. Thank you very much. Remember in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.